Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
Hello friends, welcome to Princy's Authentic Kitchen. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Today I'll be making a dish called Seeni Sambol. It's a spicy, sweet, sour onion relish. It's an awesome dish, and I will show you the ingredients, what you need. So the ingredient would be, I have about 2.5 tablespoons of tamarind juice, about 8 teaspoons of chili flakes. I know it seems a lot, but this dish is spicy and kind of sweet and sour mixed. Some curry leaf, some pandan leaf, like 4 or 5 small pieces, 1 cardamom, 1 clove, and a piece of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. And this is very optional. It's Maldive fish, 2 tablespoons of Maldive fish, and I have 8 medium onion sliced. Alright guys, so I have a pan here heating on medium heat. So go ahead and throw in the onions. And I have about 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Okay guys, so my onion has been cooking for about 12 minutes now. Give it a quick mix. And between the 12 minutes, just give it a stir about every 3 or 4 minutes. Now I'm going to be adding the curry leaf, pandan leaf or rampa, and cinnamon and clove and garlic, cardamom, and just give it a mix. I'm gonna go ahead and throw in my chili flakes. Cook for another 3 minutes on medium heat. Okay, it's been cooking for about 3 minutes. Give it a good stir. And I'm going to go ahead and add the tamarind juice. And the Maldive fish. Like I said, this is optional. To you guys about the oil. I'm going to be adding about 2.5 tablespoons of oil to this. And let this fry in the oil for another 10 minutes. Okay guys, so it's been frying in the oil for about 10 minutes. Just give it a good stir. And add in the sugar. Give this a very good mix. And let this cook for another 8 to 10 minutes. I would say about 10 minutes. Alright guys, this is it. It's been 10 minutes. I shut off the heat, and it's very easy, simple, delicious dish. You must try it, and you can eat it with roti, bread, anything, whatever you prefer. So hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Till then, we'll see you in my next video.